Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add white outline in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your image in Photopea, then double click on it and simply duplicate this layer. Now go for this tool and simply tap on this select subject. You have to wait. Now go for this mask here, then go for this color tool and go for this color fill. Select the color, now drag it like this and select your first layer. Left click on it and click on this blending option. Now simply choose this stroke here and you can play with this size and you can change the color. I'm going for this yellow, or you can choose yellow, white, red, whatever you want. Click on OK. Play with the size until you are satisfied. You can change the opacity as well, and after you are satisfied, click on this OK, and then you are good to go. And now if you change this opacity, you will see this kind of results. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add white outline in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.